organized comes naturally to some, but to others, it's a task in itself. That said, organization in the workplace is the key to productivity. So if you want to learn how to be more organized at work, stick around. To support our channel, hit the subscribe button and get notified every time we upload new content. Number 1. Use to-do lists. To-do lists help you stay on track and productive throughout the day. Use a to-do list to write down important things you want to accomplish and organize your list based on priority. For example, list the top 3 tasks that you must get done at the top of the list and things that can wait until tomorrow at the bottom of the list. You can take your organization a step further by color coordinating tasks in order of urgency. Number 2. Use a planner. Journaling is a great way to keep on top of your progress throughout the days, weeks, and years. Besides achievements, you can also keep note of upcoming meetings and set goals, so it's always at the forefront of your mind. Depending on your preference, you can purchase a written or digital journal with dates or without. Number 3. Manage your time. Managing your time effectively is a key skill to have in the workplace. You should know how long it takes you to complete a certain task, which allows you to then trim off unnecessary hours off your day. By allocating a specific time to tasks, you can also achieve more during your working day. Number 4. Learn to delegate. If you have a mountain of work to get through, it's impossible for you to do it all on your own. So if a project has a tight deadline, learn to delegate tasks to colleagues who are best equipped with handling it. If you can match the work to people's skills, you will be able to get the highest quality of work completed in a reasonable amount of time. Number 5. Be an early bird. As the age-old saying goes, the early bird catches the worm first. And if you look at all successful entrepreneurs, they all follow a similar daily routine that involves waking up early, allocating time for a workout or self-care before starting work for the day. So if you want to be more organized, follow suit and create a great morning routine that makes you motivated to work hard. Number 6. Limit distractions. It's easier to stay organized and productive when you limit distractions. By doing so, it allows you to stay focused on one task instead of jumping back and forth. Keep common distractions like your phone out of sight, and even consider muting Slack or email notifications while you're working towards a deadline. Number 7. Keep a tidy environment. Keeping a clean and tidy working area makes your work more efficient. When you have a clean working environment, you don't get distracted by the mess around you and don't waste your time looking for something that you need. So if you ease towards the messy side, it's time to do a bit of spring cleaning and tidy your workspace. Number 8. Take regular breaks. Regular breaks are needed to stay focused and productive. So give yourself a period of time, say 40 minutes, to crack down on some work before you take a short 5 to 10 minute break to recharge your batteries and refocus. If you have a sedentary job, use this time to get up and walk around or do some stretching to get your blood flowing. Now that you're well equipped with the best ways to be organized, you'll be much more prepared in a working environment. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.